Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your photo into an oil painting in CapCut. So here I've already added a photo, and next you can just click on the photo and go to style, and then just swipe through the category, select the scene swap option, and here you'll see the painting option, so just click on that. Now CapCut will apply the style or effects to your photos, so just click on the check icon and this will be the result with my photo. So try it yourself. Here, don't forget to adjust the length of the photo so it will complete the result look of the oil painting. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye!